Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the new WE Knives Wisp. Excuse me, I almost said Wasp, but it's not. It's the Wisp. And this is a really nice little knife from WE. So the thing with WE, I like the way that they make their knives, but I haven't loved any of their designs until very recently. And this is one of those designs that I really dig. So, overall length is 7.4 inches, blade length is 3.2 inches of S35VN steel. You got a frame lock right there with a lock bar insert, and it is flipper deployment. So, handle length is 4.2 inches of titanium with carbon fiber inlays. Very nicely done, by the way. You can kind of see that they are contoured slightly. That's very difficult to do. Carbon fiber likes to splinter when you machine it. So, way to go, WE. Let's see. You've got a couple color options. Here is the blue with black coated blade, and there are others, so check those out on our website. The overall weight is 2.78 ounces, and here is your tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it. You have a pocket clip for tip up right or left-handed carry. You can see that you can switch it right there. So yeah, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the WE Knives Wisp.